NBC29 forecast.
Well, a beautiful sight, not only the 611, but a beautiful autumn dawn this morning. Temperatures were in the 40s and 50s. Kenneth Johnston captured that beautiful shot from Afton. Here's a nice shot this afternoon from Kevin Williams at Lake Monticello. Warm enough that the deer wanted to cool off with the duck. Yeah, drinking there at the lake. And again, it was a warm autumn afternoon. Made it up to a high of 85 here this afternoon at the airport. You can see many locations in the low and mid 80s, roughly about 10 degrees above average here for this time of year. We're currently 81. Sun will set this evening at 6:55. Those days are getting shorter. We're a month out now from the time change. 76 is the current reading at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 81 for a high today after a morning low in the mid 40s. We've got 78 in Madison, 73 currently in Palmyra, 78 there in Dillwyn, 75 in Waynesboro, and 76 currently in Stanton. Temperatures here tonight, mid to upper 50s, certainly a cool overnight, but again, our average overnight low is in the middle 50s. There could be some patchy fog, especially in some of the river valleys. And then temperatures here for tomorrow afternoon, just as nice if you like the warmth. We've got low and mid 80s for afternoon highs. Now, we're going to continue that through the midweek. Temperatures on Thursday either side of 80, and our best rain chance, which is not all that great, but it's a pretty strong front that'll come through, will be Friday night to Saturday morning. In the meantime, not only at the surface, but higher up in the atmosphere, we're under the influence of a ridge of high pressure, and that'll keep us dry. And you can look at the national map here, and you can see most locations from the Plain States, the Mississippi River, the Ohio Valley, to the East Coast, void of any storminess. Storminess is along the Rockies and will work up across the Plain States. So some quiet weather. Look at the warmth right now, 90 in Omaha, Nebraska. It's 90 in Fargo, North Dakota. So this warmth will continue to dominate here over the next several days as long as that ridge remains intact, and it will toward the end of the week. That's when we'll have the next front approach, and that trough or dip that you see will significantly cool us down just in time for the weekend. So in the meantime, we've got quiet weather. We'll start in the 50s tomorrow morning. Sun rising now after 7 o'clock. Temperatures tomorrow afternoon in the low and mid 80s. And we move into Wednesday, just the same. Morning lows in the 50s. Those afternoon highs will top back out in the low and mid 80s. Again, our best chance of any rain will come with the frontal passage. That'll be late or Friday night and into Saturday morning. Temperatures here tonight in the 50s, mostly clear, a little bit of patchy fog. As we take a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast, we've got the October warmth. A big difference from where we were last week, as you remember. Those temperatures remaining above average here and dry until we get to later Friday, especially Friday night into Saturday morning. That'll be the timing of the next front. We'll follow that over the next several days. Doesn't look like a lot of rain, but it's the best chance that we have this week. Then these temperatures here for the weekend in the 60s for daytime highs. Those morning lows will be in the 40s and even some upper 30s. So the chill will arrive by the weekend.
All right, Eric, thank you.
Thank you so much. And remember,